Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Septi Nurul Aini from 6th semester. And in here, I would like to present my research proposal, and title is The Use of Photographs to Enhance Students' Writing Performance of the 7th grade students at Langgu Junior High School in the academic year of 2021-2022. Here the overview, Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Literature Review, and the last Chapter 3 is Research Methodology. Chapter 1 A Background of the Study. Why students' writing skill? Among the other skills, the writing skills has to be learned more by students in school for the reason that they use writing as a communicative way of sharing information, thought, experiences, or ideas informed in their daily life. According to Harmar 2004, the speakers of a foreign language should be able to write as this skill becomes the vital skill as much as for everyone using their first language. Writing skills need specific skills which include the writer's ability to express thought and feeling clearly in the process of writing, because writing is a complex skill. Why use photographs? Walter 2004 proposes that the contextual instruction in the classroom can be done by providing visual or realia. Photographs will represent 1,000 words since one photograph will tell the students something related to the real object. Considering the benefits mentioned, photographs are chosen to be one of media or technique in writing text, such as procedure, narrative, recount, and descriptive. Students' English writing skills in the Langgu Junior High School is still lacking. They still have difficulty in writing English such as descriptive text, procedure text, or narrative text. However, the students' speaking, reading, and listening skill is good. B. Problem statement. What are the types, stage, and benefits of writing in teaching English writing skills? 2. How the photographs in teaching English writing skill at the 7th grade Class B of the Langgu Junior High School in the academic year of 2021-2022. C. Objectives of the study. To explain the types, stage, and benefits of writing in teaching English writing skills. 2. To describe the photographs in teaching English writing skills at the 7th grade of Class B of the Langgu Junior High School in the academic year of 2021-2022. The significance of the study. For the English teacher, this research can provide some information and knowledge about the use of photograph in the process of teaching English with writing skills in the classroom. For the students, the use of photographs have an influence on students' understanding of the material in the English writing skills. Students' understanding will also affect the ability of writing skills and the quality of students' writing. E. Definition of key terms. Photographs is a photo which is only created by the camera to capture a moment or event at a certain time. One of the communication media that can be used to send a message or idea to other people. Writing is an activity to create a note or to create communication activities aimed at other people in the form of personal information or messages in written form. Next, Chapter 2, Literature Review. A. The nature of writing. Writing is classified as a productive skill, especially in the written form. According to Spratt, 2003, writing involves the writers to convey their information or message into a text so that it will be understood by others. The information or messages which are conveyed should be well planned and organized so that the reader can get the point on what the writers purpose in writing. It can be determined that writing reflects a form of communication to express experience, thought, and emotions in written form. B. Basic types of writing. Brown 2004 proposes the taxonomy of basic writing. This taxonomy involves 4 types of writing arranged from the basic to the complex one presented subsequently. 1. Imitative writing, 2. Intensive writing, 3. Responsive writing, and the last 4. Extensive writing. C. Stages in the writing process. Harmer 2004 defines writing process as the stage which writers take to create their idea to become their final written product. So 2002 states that 3 stages externally imposed on students by teachers during teaching writing. 1. Responding, 2. Evaluating, and 3. Post-writing. D. The benefits of the writing. The learners get some benefits of writing that affects their social development. Writing is not only viewed as a means of sharing ideas and information, but also a way to improve and develop them. According to Windarto 2012, he notes 6 benefits of writing for the learner. 1. The improvement of learners' writing depending on their writing practice. 2. The language acquisition and learning of learners are enhanced by writing through their experiment. 3. The evaluation of the students' learning and conscious development of their language are obtained by the learner in writing. 4. The learners' written records will help them prevent hiding the truth to themselves and encouraging honest appraisal. 5. A possible delivery of a message from one place to another is by writing. 6. Learners are required to be stronger thinkers since the writing involves them having mental discipline and getting close attention towards a set of logical rules. E. Photographs. The use of photographs aims to help teacher in giving the student support during writing since they can be used as a way to generate the ideas in writing. According to Peskova 2008, the developing of learners' imagination can be served through illustration by using pictures. She also states that pictures as ideal way to reflect reality, especially photographs, which are kinds of authentic source and truly illustrate situations, events, portraits of person, and so many others. Usually, photographs surely can help the students remember the detail about people, place, and events. They capture anything such as the characterization, the appearance, and the sequence of events. F. Previous study. 1. From Maharani 2019. The title is Using Photograph Sequences in Teaching Writing, a recount text for junior high school students, and the research gaps. The difference between the previous proposal with my proposal is from the model of teaching writing and the topic. The previous proposal using photograph sequence means consists of several photos and sequences each other to compose a recount text, while my proposal using photograph only one photo and is intended to enhance student writing skills in general, not only recount text. And the second, from Al-Qadri 2017, the title is The Effectiveness of Using Photographs in Teaching Writing. The difference between the previous proposal with my proposal is from the subject and method. The previous proposal aimed at senior high school, Tarau Kaula, Kalimantan Tengah, and using 2 classes. There are 10C as the experimental group using photographs and 10D as the control group using conventional media. This research employed quasi-experimental design, while my proposal only used one class in 7B and using photographs. Next, Chapter 3. Research Methodology. The context of the study. The research will be conducted in Delanggu Junior High School. The school is located in Segondung, Delanggu, Mojokerto. The subject of the study. Students in the 7th grade Class B or 7B at Telanggu Junior High School in the academic year 2021 and 2022. Time and place: February until June. Place in Telanggu Junior High School, Gunung Mojokerto. I have 2 months for planning, that is from February and March. 3 months for data collection from April, May, and June, and 2 months for data analyzing and reporting, that is May and June. Research design. This study is an action research study in nature. According to APUT 1985, action research is a study conducted systematically by a group of participants as a way to improve the quality of education by using particular actions and reflection on those actions. Sources of the data: the informants, the student and English teacher in the 7th grade Class B or 7B at Telanggu Junior High School in the academic year of 2021-2022. Events: classroom teaching activities. Technique of collecting data: I use testing and evaluating the students' writing. Testing the students' writing by conducting some tests called pre-test and post-test. The result of the students' writing in those 2 tests will be assessed and evaluated. Technique of analyzing data: 1. Testing and evaluating the students' writing called pre-test and post-test using descriptive statistics. The Excel program are involved to compare the means of students' writing in pre-test and post-test to determine whether there is enhancement on students' writing performance. 2. Conclusion and data verification. Means search for the meaning and provide an explanation of the data. After that, verification is carried out to test the correctness, robustness, and suitability the meaning that emerge from the data. Technique of validating data. Time triangulation. The data are collected at one point in time or over a period of time to get sense of what are involved in the process of the change. Triangulation of source. Cross-checking the data obtained with informants or other informants, like head school or parents. Triangulation of methodological. Comparing information or data in different ways. It can be using interviews, classroom observation, and questionnaire. The research procedure. This action will be conducted in 2 cycles depending on the student's enhancement writing performance. There are some steps that must be followed in each cycle. The steps modified from Burns 1999 in Madhya 2009 will be used in this research. They described as follows. Cycle 1, determining thematic concern, planning, action and observation, and reflections. In cycle 2, revised plans, action and observations, and reflection. And the last, this is my references. That's all for my presentation. I hope my explanation can be understood. Bila saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.